As you could see when we were in the filter gallery, there are a lot of filters up there, but not all filters are accessible from the filters gallery, like for example, a lot of the render filters. Open up this image right here, that one right there. What I want to do is change the nature of that sky, that beautiful, pristine blue sky. We're going to add some clouds up there. So to do that, let's create a new layer. Make sure that your colors are black and white over here. That's important. Then go up to the word filter and go down to render. You got a lot of render filters. Clouds, difference clouds, fibers. I use fibers to make rain, lens flare. Let's go to clouds. Okay, what it did, it took the black and white colors, foreground and background, and made these, well, I guess you call them clouds. If you press Command F, you can repeat the last filter that you did and maybe get something that you feel you like better. Let's stop right there. Change the blending mode of layer 1 from normal to screen. What's a bit more than what we need? Maybe that's a London fog. I just want to change the sky. So I've done something to save time, and I've said this before, we are going to cover this, and that is making this over here, and that's a selection. It actually took a bit of time to do that. So I don't want to consume time in this lesson because we will cover how I did things like that in the selections chapter. Selection is a keystone skill. I'm going to control click on it, which will make it into a selection, and go back to our original image. So the only areas that are selected now are the sky. Kind of hard to tell, but it is. If we go to layer 1, that's got all of our clouds in it, let's go ahead and click this button down here for a mask. And that begins to start the process. Now that's actually not too bad. That looks kind of neat. But what I probably want to do here is lower the intensity just a little bit. So go to opacity right here and just knock that down. Kind of get it where you want it to be. So we've taken a beautiful sky, absolutely nothing wrong with that photograph, and added some clouds to it. Reduced the opacity a little bit to help the procedure out. Render filter made it all possible. On to the next.